has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Grant County and central Arkansas, southwestern Jefferson County and southeastern Arkansas until 12:30 a.m. At 11:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sheridan to near Dogwood to near Leola, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations
Of course my battery's going to die on the phone.
Pine Bluff, Sheridan, Whitehall, Warburton, Lamont, Pine Bluff Arsenal, Sulphur Springs, Ain, Crossroads in Grant County, Slaptown, Faith, Prague, Watson Chapel, Center Grove, Grapevine, Clear Lake, Harding, Dexter, Milledgeville. This includes Interstate 530 between mile markers 28 and 46. This is a special weather statement for the following counties in Arkansas, Grant and Jefferson.
Alright, well, I was just playing some GTA, of course, and that decided to happen, even though it was already under some thunderstorms, but no SVR was issued. See? Not for me. Oh, God. Oh, it's Lincoln. They just issued a AFD. Don't care about that. Ah, well. I'm just going to go ahead and end the video before my phone dies.